How to upgrade H&R Block Deluxe to Premium. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then navigate to H&R Block website. You can type in hrblock.com and search for it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you will find this sign-in section. Provide your H&R account's credentials. Type in your username, email, or mobile number. Once you type in, click on Sign In. Now type in your password and click on Sign In. With that, you will be logged into your account. Once you log into your account, now access your current return. You will need to open the tax return you are working on and then look for upgrade options. Within your account dashboard or within the tax return processes, look for an option to upgrade your service. This is typically found in the menu or settings or sometimes as a prompt during the tax preparation process. Now go ahead and select the option of Premium. This system should guide you through the upgrade process, which usually involves confirming your choice and possibly an additional payment. After upgrading, you can continue working on your tax return. The premium version will offer additional features and support, especially useful for complex tax situations like rental income, investment income, and etc. So this way you can easily upgrade H&R Block Deluxe to Premium. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.